Hey guys, it is Friday, January the 19th. Yeah, Friday, 2024. I'm gonna go over natural gas. So let's get into it. So this is a market profile that I like to watch, and look where we at. We are hovering right about the midpoint or the point of control. Now we're kind of below it, but we're in this little zone right here. Which is, not good nor bad. He's just back to smack in the middle. The value area low will be all the way down here, and we don't want to go down there, but you never know. But we're just kind of smack in the middle between these two range. Value area high failed it here, back in point of control. Now I want to see what's going to happen here. There's a lot of things cooking, a lot of moving parts, so I'm going to kind of just go really fast because I don't want to make this video too long. This is, what is this, year? You can see there's another point of control right here, which is 257. Could it head down there? Yeah. And you can see it right here, just chopping around. The Bears really got Thursday. They took it, was that Wednesday? Looks like the Bulls had it, but yesterday they got it, and let's see what's going to happen today. Let's go to our simple glance. You can see we're still back in the MOBO on the monthly, so it's just chop fest. On the weekly, we're right here and just in the cloud. Remember when I say we're getting in the cloud, it gets very volatile. And looks like maybe we might get a MACD crossover. I don't know. It's just close to the zero line. We haven't got the signal yet. And it's hovering around, what's the price? 263. You can see that I have a little point of control there just to kind of let me know when I look at the simple glance chart. In the mobile band, it's 255. But we close below 255, it's going to get negative. But you know what? This is a nice little area to accumulate. In my opinion. So we'll see how that's going to play out. The only thing I don't like is that we're very close to the zero line. I like things to get a little more, further south. And on the daily, you see this is linear regression channel here, point of control. Also nice little area to accumulate if we get this nice little flush. MACD is negative. Weekly is positive, but could turn. And so far, that's negative. And that's that. So there's a few things I want to go over here real quick. Let's see. Let's get our calendar. So today is Friday. Monday, I'll probably do this over the weekend, with more time. But Monday it's a nice little poppy bullish day. Let's see. Make sure I got this right. Yeah, I mean, it's not by much, but it's bullish. So, maybe we're kind of, going sideways here today and building up a position to get a nice little pop. Seasonality wise, there's one chart I saw where the 19th, it kind of pivots low and, goes higher all the way to like the end of the month on the 29th. And then it starts going lower by the first second, it starts dipping down. I've seen that on a seasonality chart. So it's interesting to see that the data is kind of backing that up. The 22nd will be, nice little pop. Mondays statistically are positive, but normally Friday are like the biggest positive days. So these days on Fridays are the biggest day, but we haven't been seeing that on price action yet, or at least today, but the day's young. We haven't opened up. And let's see, so in regards to average return by week, we're normally down, and next week is positive. So it's kind of mixed, but I'll go over all of that. But I just wanted to let you know that, Monday could be interesting for a little scalp or a little pop. Let's get out of here. Let's go into our midpoint chart. But before I go to my midpoint chart, let's go and look at some of the Elliott wave here. Let's close this out. You see that these little stars, these are kind of like line in the sand in this program. You can see this level right here, 256, 254. key levels there to keep watching. And the ellipse technique, it's going to be kicking in, you can say the 22nd or 23rd, somewhere around there in that little wiggle room where volatility is going to increase. What direction is going to go? We don't know. You can see the seasonality still pushing lower, and this dominant cycle is positive. So there's a lot of things that are just kind of opposite, but I like it like that because I want to see what's going to play out. It's not going to be all lining up perfect, on your theory or what do you think is going to happen. You just got to follow price action and see, what is the probability that one of these things are influencing it and leading it in that direction. But so far, if next week we're going to get this pop, as you can see, the projection wave 4s all disappeared. Because I don't know if this is going to be the wave 4. And Monday, we're going to get this nice rally into the end of the week. And maybe hit a projection up here. What is this? The 5th. So this could be a possible turning point or that week if we get a nice rally into next week. So far, this is what the Elliott wave is showing. And the mirrors and Dewey cycles and everything are projecting somewhere around January the 26th. So this could be still in play for next week. Interesting, our Gann swing indicators pointing down. And look, it took a while to point down, and now it has adjusted. While the advanced one is still saying, no, we could still go up. This is just a little correction. But keep an eye on January the 26th. That's a Friday. So it makes sense if all these cycles, the Dewey, the mirror cycle, all this is going to play out aligning with the delta, which I haven't used. So I'm interested to see how this all playing out because a lot of things are lining up here. You just got to see today or Monday, get a nice little pop. And statistically, Monday has that, but I'm going to go over that over the weekend. Let's go back to our midpoint chart. And there's 255 right here, as you can see on the, this is a 30? No, this is the 1 hour. You can see that the 1 hour has been holding here. So this is a pivot 261. There's 254 line in the sand within the month, which is the midpoint chart. But so far, it bounced, came down, failed new low. So if we take out 267, targets would be 269, and we might get a rally. And maybe this could be a nice little start, but we just got to watch price action. And let's see here. Yeah, we're hovering around 261 as a low. Yep, 261, just kind of here. But let's see how the U.S. Open starts. And lastly, where are we at? 261. So we're somewhere around here. So yeah, you got our 199. That was that February low. This could possibly be support. Even if we do a little head fake down, you got the 194, which is at 258 you want to watch, and the 257, which is the 135 degree from the 1 here. So that's good. I mean, they really want to slam it. You got 249, which is 90 degrees. That would be possible support. And you got a few here. So they're really going to play games or push it lower. These are key levels. 257, 249, and then the 45 degree, which is a 241. But if this holds, then you got to push it 265. And if it's going to be bullish Monday, and we're going to scream out of the doors, or when it opens on the overnight session, Sunday night futures, you got 273 and 281. So these are the targets, the bigger targets to the upside. 281, yeah. So that's close to 290 all the way over here. 289. Because that's going to be, well, it all depends. We haven't closed yet for the week. So these are the bigger targets. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.